Hello everyone, today is going to be very simple wiring up an internet outlet. A direct connection will give us a higher bit rate and a more stable connection, so why not know how to do it? At first, we need to remove about 5 centimeters of outer insulation. The second step, carefully untwist the pairs of wires. Ready is the terminal block of the internet socket. Most sockets follow the color code T568B. In this case, we will be looking at the part indicated as B letter. Now turn the plastic lever so that the terminal block stays in place, and at the same time the wires will also be pressed against the metal plates inside. The protruding ends need to be cut off so that they don't give us a problem later on if they do come together. I have had this happen to me once or twice. I'm doing this with all cutting pliers, and this is what I'm talking about. They could come close together and touching each other, so it could be a problem later. Okay, first part, the wiring is done, but in order to have the wiring complete, we will need to be able to wire the RJ45 connector as well. In addition to the knife and cutting pliers, we will also need to have a crimping tool, something like this one. On the internet we can find the RJ45 connector wiring diagram, and again wire it according to diagram B. And now we are done, and we have infinite loop of internet. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you around.